Hi, imagine you have a Google form that sends in data to a Google Sheet, and then you have to manually copy emails from that sheet into your email on Gmail and send email out to them. You are doing a manual labor. Hi, my name is Soladotun, and I'm here to tell you about a very specific work tools built right into your Google Workspace, and this is known as the Google App Script. Basically, what is Google App Script? Google App Script is the engine room of Google Workspace. It is a cloud-based coding platform that requires zero setup. You don't need to install any software. You don't need to configure servers. You just open the window and start building. So, what can you build with this thing? I'm not just talking about simple formulas whereby you can write a sum ifs, a if not, and the likes. I'm talking about building your own internal software tools. Right now, if you look at that, our previous screen, which is the mini CRM for startups, this is something you can build in Google Workspace. You can actually build a well-configured CRM right into your Google Workspace without you needing to pay for extra fees. Basically, you can custom menus into it that can execute complex workflow like sending lists from the main sheet that is bringing in the list to agents that you have. They have their own specific sheet, and this thing can also even send you reports that you can use to actually know what your agents are doing, how many leads have they interacted with today, and the likes. These are something I want to teach you how to do. Another thing you can even do is building a PDF invoice right into it. That whereby they can create invoice, saves into a drive, and then send it as emails to client automatically. These are all the things you can do with Google App Script. And where can you find Google App Script? In Google, just come to extension and you will see it here, App Script. This is a low code. This is what we know as low code tools. You have no issues trying to write a complex code. All you have to do is just focus on building the most minimal things that you need to do. And the funniest thing about this is that you don't need to learn JavaScript from beginning to end. If you can write spreadsheet formula, believe me, you can write Google App Script, and this is one of the things you should look forward doing. Thank you very much, and join me on this series where I'll be teaching you basic things on how to customize and innovate custom interface that can save you complex hours at work, make your project more effective, make you more productive at work, and then reduce overhead cost on the tools that you pay for. Thank you.